Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So firstly, directly transferring USDT from crypto.com to PayPal is not possible since PayPal does not support direct cryptocurrency deposits. So guys, let us go through the steps that will actually allow you to do this. So launch the crypto.com app, of course. After that, on the accounts, select crypto wallet. After that, locate USDT balance and tap on it. Tap transfer, then select withdraw. After that, you can start the next steps. Since PayPal doesn't accept direct crypto transfers, you'll need to send your USDT to a crypto exchange that allows PayPal withdrawals. So guys, convert your USDT into fiat, for example USD or Euro. Withdraw the fiat to your PayPal accounts. For example, you can use Kraken, Bitstamp, Paxful, etc. On your chosen exchange, go to the deposit section. Select USDT and choose the appropriate network. Copy the deposit address. Return to your Crypto.com app. Paste the copied USDT address. Choose the correct network and enter the amounts. Confirm the transaction. After that, on the exchange, go to Sell section. Select USDT and choose your desired fiat currency. Confirm the sale and ensure the funds appear in your wallet. After that, go to the withdraw or cash out section, select PayPal as your withdrawal method, enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm the transaction. And that's pretty much it, guys. You can see also the visualization on the screen. By following these steps, you can successfully move your funds, your USDT, from crypto.com to PayPal. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the video, subscribe and like. See you next time.